Bitso NFT Marketplace app. The pros, the cons. The Bitso NFT Marketplace app brings NFT trading to Latin America's leading cryptocurrency exchange. Most people get this wrong by assuming Bitso only handles crypto transfers and trading, but the surprising truth is that it now allows users to buy, sell, and store NFTs securely. On the pro side, it so integrates NFTs directly with your existing exchange account, making funding and transactions seamless. The app offers strong security, including two-factor authentication and encrypted private keys protecting your digital assets. Users can explore exclusive drops, track trending collections, and participate in secondary sales without leaving the platform. Its intuitive interface makes NFT browsing and management straightforward, even for beginners. On the cons side, Bitso's NFT selection is smaller compared to larger marketplaces like OpenSea. High-demand items may sell out quickly, and transaction fees can be higher during peak network activity. Advanced features like auctions, analytics, or multi-chain support are limited, making it less ideal for professional NFT traders. In conclusion, the Bitso NFT Marketplace app is best suited for crypto users who want to manage NFTs within a trusted exchange environment. While the variety is limited, its security, account integration, and ease of use make it a reliable platform for collectors looking to get started in the NFT world safely and efficiently.